Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Workzone for issue status workflows step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Workzone, navigate to the Workzone website. Look for the registration link, typically found on the home page. Click on the registration link to access the sign-up form. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. If applicable, select your organization from the drop-down menu. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Register button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation message from Workzone. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. Once redirected, log in using your newly created credentials. Now, navigate to the dashboard to set up your issue status workflows. Select the option for Workflow Management from the menu. Click on Create New Workflow to initiate the process. Follow the prompts to customize your workflow according to your needs. Add team members who will participate in the workflow. Set the appropriate statuses for your issues within the workflow. Save your workflow settings once you have completed all fields. Test the workflow by creating a sample issue. Monitor the status to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. Your issue status workflow is now registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.